Local veterinary clinics say since the start of the pandemic, they have been overwhelmed with the number of pets coming in. You throw in staff shortages and COVID-19 protocols, and it's leading to longer wait times and frustrated clients.
But now clinics are coming together for a campaign to explain the situation. Anthony Sabella is live in Virginia Beach with that.
Hey, good morning. And I can tell you, as a husband to a veterinarian and also a pet owner, I can kind of see both sides of the issue, right? That, we all want our pets to get the best care possible. But so many people during the COVID-19 pandemic went out and got pets that it's hard for veterinarians locally to be able to keep up with the influx of patients that they're seeing. And so, some days they can't even see all of the patients that want to come in or need to come in, right? And so Acredale Animal Hospital behind me, one of the clinics that joined with a group of other clinics in our area to try and address this issue, realizing that they're all seeing the same problem. So the association locally is called Coastal Virginia Veterinary Medical Association, and they hired a PR firm to help with an outreach campaign called Pause to Be Kind, basically telling clients, look, we're maxed out, staff is getting burned out and getting harder to retain as a result of the burnout, not to mention there's COVID-19 protocols. So your wait times as clients are going to be a little bit longer. This is an issue for general practitioners as well as emergency clinics. Acredale is one of a handful of clinics in our area that do both. As a result of a staff shortage, lead veterinarian here, Dr. Sarah Metter, told me she's had to shift roles from being a general practitioner to an emergency doctor, and those shifts can last more than 12 hours. They can be incredibly stressful, and it also means often choosing which emergencies need to be seen immediately versus the ones that it's okay to wait a little bit.
A lot of the general practices, their appointment schedules are booked 2 weeks out. And so we're seeing an influx of both emergent cases and less critical ones. And unfortunately, the less critical ones are experiencing longer wait times. And that's frustrating for a lot of clients.
So the Pause to Be Kind campaign addresses that. They have some suggestions for clients to help the situation at their vet. Basically, it starts with understanding and knowing your clinic is probably overwhelmed, but also being on time for appointments, or if you're going to be really late or can't make it, at least calling ahead to reschedule so another pet can be seen. You can also ask about drop-off appointments if that can be something that can be made to be easier. And it's really just making sure you partner with your veterinarian so that your pet receives the best care possible. Bottom line, these veterinarians, they're likely going to be pet owners themselves. They understand how important it is to you to make sure that your pet gets the best care, and they just want what's best for your pet. So always, the answer is just be kind.